लिखने के लिए तैयार हो जाएं। रेडी, स्टार्ट। द एजुकेशन सिस्टम इन इंडिया was formulated by an eminent British educationist called Lord Macaulay during the imperial rule in India. It made little progress since then, although thousands of schools and colleges were opened in many parts of the country. Though the general understanding of the students has appreciably increased, yet their educational standard cannot be said to have improved much. It is because of the fact that teachers have not received much attention from the government in a country like India. There was a time when teachers felt proud of their profession and were dedicated towards their duties, with the result that students were able to work wholeheartedly. That was the main factor which attracted the best talents of the country towards this profession. Para change. The present system of education needs to be changed substantially. It should be aimed at imparting practical education. Mere distribution of postgraduate degrees cannot produce good citizens. The system should be so modified that would make the student a real asset to the society and not a burden on the country. The present system of education has burdened the student with a heavy load of books, help books, guides, notes, etc., and the time at the disposal of the student is limited. Much of their time is wasted in witnessing television, sports, and other serials which force them to read ready-made notes or important question answer books. They do not have enough time even to go through their school or college books. Though more funds have been allocated for education, the real effort has not been made to make them good citizens. That is why modern student is frustrated. He has no choice to adopt a profession of his liking in which he may be able to put hard labor. The Ministry of Education should give serious thought to improve the education system in India under the new education policy. Stop.